Hi, and welcome to my vlog. So I forgot to mention in the vlog that my friend Muni is joining me, and then it was quite last minute when I decided to make it into a vlog because we already had a plan to go out, and so she wasn't prepared. She was wearing 3/4 sleeve, so I had to try my best and censor that. So you will see some kind of like red and black blob all over this vlog. So I hope you just excuse that because I was just doing my best to protect her arm. I also forgot to mention the name of the restaurant that we went to, so I'll insert a picture here. So that's it. Enjoy the vlog. Thank you. This video cannot be more Sarawakian than this. So this is a chicken python ramen. Looks like that. And then there's gyoza. And then there's Muni is also buying the same thing.
Yeah.
Have you tried it?
Not yet.
Go and try it.
Okay.
Try the gravy.
Huh?
Try the gravy.
Which one? This one?
Yeah, just take a sip. Just take a sip. While it's still hot. That's it.
Ramen.
Right.
Yeah.
It's very creamy, right?
Yeah. It's kind of like ada rasa carbonara just.
Have you tried the chicken? It's very soft and tender. It's like, oh my god.
It just melt in your mouth.
Yes. How do you cook that? How?
Okay, it was tofu. Punya potong tu kecil-kecil nak. With cut
It's
smaller,
better.
it's much better. It's too big.
But it's still early in the day, so like, I need teh tarik or something.
Well, that's how
Because, you know, I don't know, it's like, when I'm eating out, I must drink teh tarik. Like, since I'm out, I must drink teh tarik.
panas sejuk.
Of course, panas. Cold teh tarik is dessert. It's not a drink. Cold teh tarik is dessert.
They have to try this. Oh, asamanya. Only it's much easier to come here. Plaza Merdeka for me, the traffic is just too much lah. Among the reason why I don't go here.
I don't like Plaza Merdeka because there's not much here. Really, the mall is so small. And I prefer like the Spring because it has
Right.
Uniqlo.
Uh-huh.
Uniqlo, and they have more food. The food court is actually good.
There's a lot of things I wanted to try, but we are full at that time. Kita dah kena gila, so
Yeah. I went there yesterday though. I wanted to have the salted fried rice with vegetable from the Madam Tang store.
Medan Tang store.
They have the nasi campur, at the same time they have laksa.
Oh,
They have laksa nasi campur. The vegetable there was good. So I had the kangkong sambal belacan. And I wasn't the only one attracted. So there was someone in front of me. They just came and like, I want this. They pointed straight to the kangkong. I'm like, yes, I want that also.
kangkong, midin, masak sambal belacan,
Oh yeah.
the best.
Yes.
First time adik kami sampai biasa masak 3 kong nak.
Oh, kangkong nasi.
Nasi si habis.
Wow.
Kan ada tinggal sikit tu dapat makan petang nak.
Oh,
Hari adik yang berasa.
wow.
Kira aku masak.
Tak pakai sambal ni kah? Dari sini. Belah
Sila
ribut.
bola liput. Senang dah. I mean yang pun nak ya, garlic, onion, bawang merah, bawang putih. Mungkin tak mau bawang merah ajak pun okey.
Tak tumbuk kah?
Sit make blender. Oh, I do not have the time to tumbuk. And I do not have the energy.
Sekejap, sambal belacan kita dah ada.
Belacan dah
Kita
ada.
just tambah bawang je lah.
Bawang,
Oh.
tusuk-tusuk.
Oh, kita
Ini-
mix sekali.
Oh. So kita blend everything inside.
Oh.
Panas minyak, tumis semua, and then you ungkah the kangkong and then kami,
Oh.
I like to put the belacan at the last step
Oh,
because it will taste
oh
more.
yang lebih nyaman.
Oh.
I thought it would be better in front.
Sebabnya
Kalanya tumis
masak
sekali.
kena.
Oh.
I don't know why. Kami try je lah. The first one kami engkahnya sekali dalam the blended one.
Oh.
And then the second step kami engkahnya last. Adik memang lain nak second yang mana? Oh, is it because sebab kami engkah banyak gila? So far belacan mesti daripada 1,000.
Lepas
Miri.
tu kucing tidak malah.
So far nak kat kucing mesti
Munnya madahnya sambal belacan Sibu, ohnya madahnya sambal belacan ni, tapi dia jual di kunci. Is that legit? That's legit.
I don't know lah. I trust them.
Oh. Actually kami sih suka jagung dalam mie.
Oh.
Kerana dia susah nak makan. Tapi somehow-nya dengan kuah tu it works. Katanya manis, and then kuah tu macam masin and creamy. Mun nak Hokkaido butter masin. Ya jangan. Anu dia ya. Tapi macam when you know the Hokkaido butter, when they serve it to you, they said it's a bit salty. Here's some water to add on to it. And it was really salty because it was like it was very.
Why don't you just call it salted Hawaiian?
I know, right? They put like a few slices of butter inside. I don't know if that's the Hokkaido butter part of it. So the broth is just spicy, and then they just added butter. So don't order that; it will ruin you.
Unless you like salting.
Yeah. Unless you, I like salty things. It was too salty. Nya macam maybe nya reduce too much. Maybe that's the recipe. Maybe they reduce it too much.
So it becomes thick and
It's too thick. Like I had to add like a glass of water. I thought I only need like a splash. No, I went back and add more. I feel like if I've been cooking a lot at home, and I feel like, oh, I deserve this. I deserve to go out so that I can not cook.
okay.
Yeah, because I exercise at night. After exercise, I need to eat, and it's like late, so you have to cook. So I have no choice but to cook at night. So at day, I try to skip out of cooking.
Then you're still doing the IF.
No, I'm not doing IF. I'm just exercising because I think you lose what you don't use, right? Well, I forget it. I'm fat. I get fat just by breathing air. I get fat just by breathing air. Okay.
That's the first time I ever heard that.
Yeah.
People say they get fat just by drinking water.
Yes, I'm breathing air for no reason. I'm fat.
What are you, a balloon?
Yes. Oh my god, maybe I am.
You can do the 1 minute tummy suction exercise.
Hey.
It's only 1 minute. You cut into 20 second, 20 second, 20 second.
Tummy suction.
You just tarik nafas and then just maintain that position. Breathe in as deep as you can. I feel like your tummy is at the back of your spine. Do that for 20 seconds. It's torture. Like, I can do this, I can do this, I can do this.
She's a doctor. She can say that. So
No.
hit her advice.
So you do that. Actually, you just like macam tighten your abs. So you feel macam nampak kacak lah. It's not like you're losing weight. You're not losing weight.
Okay.
But then because of your muscle, it contracts. So the fat doesn't bulge out.
It's like an abdominal exercise.
Yeah.
You want abs, you do this exercise.
You won't get an ab. You just get a flat tummy lah.
Like it just looks fat.
Yeah, you just look nice. But like, my tummy is not so bulging as that. You know that women have pooch. Belly
Yes.
pooch. Every time you go your period, you have that pooch.
I love my belly pooch. We are friends now.
I do not like my belly pooch.
Don't hate it, friend it. You like
No,
it.
because it will macam mundudok na. You feel like it's too tight over there. So
Just wear loose clothing.
it's loose, but like when you're sitting up, you're sitting down,
Yeah.
it feels tight.
When do you do that exercise?
You can do it anytime. I usually like to do it in the morning. Unless
So-
I wake up late.
So it is like an exercise. It's not like
But then the only thing is
Like a
it's only
stretching.
1 minute. Just stand there. Just tarik nafas.
and suck in your stomach while you're
Yeah.
waiting for your food. Suck in your stomach. It will make you look better.
Improvement in just 17. If you can do like macam maintain that state.
Walking around.
Yeah, I did that before. Memang you won't have any pooch.
It's more like I made peace with my pooch.
You just accept it.
Yes.
This is the reality now.
Yes. I have nobody else but my pooch.
That just sounds so sad.
When your body parts become your family member. Have you tried this? Right? You want every drop of it, right? I know. It's that good.
Like you have to drink every last bit.
Yes.
Dapat ilat-ilat ko.
Yes, bring it up. Oh, sorry.
There, habis na.
To the last drop. I don't like this Naruto.
Gyoza.
Even the gyoza is good. You know, sushi king gyoza is not good. Sushi king gyoza is not good, but this one is good.
Alhamdulillah. Do.
It is that good. You know, I'm the type who like I always squeeze this tea bag for all it's worth. Especially when you go to like sushi king.
I'll drink like 4 cups at least.
Yes, Sakai Sushi, where they give you, when you order hot tea and then they give you a tea bag. I would like squeeze it until there's no color left. So we have moved on from Plaza Merdeka. We're now at Decory, having dessert because there's nothing at Plaza Merdeka.
There are things, but we're not interested.
Yes. Like the dessert day is late. So we're here to have taufu pa. I'll show you later. Our lighting is not very good because we're back against the light here.
This spoon is so cool.
Yes, it's a shovel. It's a shovel.
It's a shovel.
So this is mine with taro bowl. This is the plain one. She had on nata de coco. Yeah, and mine is watermelon balls. These are the syrup. You put as much as you want. Don't put all of them together.
It's too sweet.
It's too sweet. This is Decory that we went to. It was so good. How was it?
It was good.
It was good, right? We were slurping.
Yeah, it melts in your mouth.
Yes.
And it's cool.
It's perfect for this hot weather. Do you see that guy? That guy? That white guy at the back? Yeah. He is grounded today. I'm not allowing him to go out because he gave me trouble last night and the day before. More of them are back. Where's the rest of you? Where are the kittens? Meow! Oh, look, the kittens. Hello. Ah, there's one more kitten over there. Meow! Meow! Ah, there's another one. Meow! 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 Last night at 10:45 p.m. I saw his AirTag, Yuki. I AirTagged 2 of my cats. Here they are. These are, see, Yuki is still under lost mode because I haven't changed it from last night. Shifa is home. So Shifa and Yuki, they're both my cats that I AirTag. They're both home now. They're both home now, so no worries. This is my house. Last night I found Yuki here. Okay. And I'm like, that's far away from home. And it was like almost 11 p.m. So I had to go look for him outside at 11 p.m. going meowing outside of stranger's house in the dark for him. And the night before, he was on the roof. Also, I had to go fetch him at 11 p.m. So I'm like decided today I want to go out. I don't want to worry about him. So he's staying indoor. He's staying in the cage. He's not going out. He's grounded. But it's fine because today we have wet food. I just bought this today. 3 cans. It will be enough for all of these cats. Now I have to finish feeding my cats and then I have to go pray asar. This is Momo. Meow. Today is gonna be a busy morning, so this is what I got for breakfast. Tuna lemak, pulut, and donuts. See? This person is going on holiday and then dumping her cat on me. Does he not come in a bag?
It's in a bag. He just doesn't want to stay inside. Ow, ow, ow.
Yeah, I know that's your baby. Ah. See, this is the selfish person who's going on holiday and then dumping her cat on her unsuspecting friend.
Hey, it's not dumping.
That's me.
It's not dumping.
Why do you think I'm awake so early? It's not even 9 a.m. yet. I only slept for 2 hours.
Kapatid pala tayo. Lang.
Because I'm an alim. I sleep after Fajr. Poor little guy. He has to wait here until the shop opens at 10 a.m. So the shop is open now, so I'm going to send him over to check in. He even fell asleep just now. So, meow. So we're going now. Bye, Oyen. So Oyen was getting a bit overheated, so I let him roam around the shop. We're already open. Joe is still busy cleaning the boarding cats. So, ooh, fight. So I'll just wait until Joe is done before we put Oyen into the cage. Good morning. I have a busy morning today. I mean, okay, it's not that busy, but basically I have a few things to do this morning and nothing to do for the rest of the day, and which is preferable because I only had like 2 hours of sleep last night, and I already sent Oyen to the shop. I used the back entrance because there's no parking in front of the shop. And that's a relief because I really hate keeping cats waiting. Normally when someone sends the cats over to my house for boarding, they will be just staying at my house, not at the shop. So now I have one thing that's cancelled this morning, but I'm going to go send my business license. The papers, business license for renewal. And then I have to go buy some toilet accessory for my toilet tank, for my I have to buy some toilet tank accessory for my toilet that's leaking. So that's what I'll be doing next. I'm just done sending my license for renewal here. The office is there. The office is there. Nas Infinite. But the girl was here. She was having morning tea here. So that's finished. There's one thing finished now. I need to go that thing for my toilet. This is the attachment that I was looking for. I'll show a photo of where it goes in the toilet. This is the shop that I bought it from. Great Star. It's so small, but I highly recommend this shop because the owner is very, very helpful. Now that I'm done with my errands, I'm going home to install that thing in the toilet, and then I'm going to sleep because I am in another world right now.